The BJP received a substantial boost to its presence in the Mandai Assembly Constituency on Tuesday as a total of 91 voters from 28 families formally switched allegiance to the Saffron Party. The party joining event was held in the Sinai Kami area under the 11 Mandai Assembly Constituency. The new members defected primarily from the regional party Tipra Motha and the CPIM. The new voters were officially inducted and welcomed into the BJP party by Bipin, the General Secretary of State BJP. Speaking at the event, Mr. Debarma articulated that the party's core message to the indigenous community known as the Tipra people. State BJP General Secretary Bipin Debarma declared that BJP is the only party that can bring about the upliftment and comprehensive development of the Tipra people.
Chini Bharatiya Janata Party wo biseskai CPIM tei Tipra Motha ni onekta leader rok yakarinai tini Bharatiya Janata Party ni banara hapaika abon bisingo guruttopurno ongkha যে CPM ni ekjon elected vice chairman nukhana Bishu Chandra Rupini bo ekta CPM ni vice chairman tongmane elected vice chairman tongmane bo tini bobo je BJP ni samono na hare Modi Manik Shah ji ni samono na hari nai bo tini Bharatiya Janata Party ni banaro pray 28 poribar ni 91 voter tini Bharatiya Janata Party o jogdan khaika ebong chini omo বিশ্বাস tongo Bharatiya Janata Party ni ekmatro সম্ভব আগামী দিনো Chini Tipra Sarong Thana Bagai, Agami Dino, or Edisino Sotik Babe Judi Development Kanyan Kakai, Tabo, Bharatiya Janata Party ni, Proyojon, Abon Bagai Borok Bujika, CPM Clay, others Kabama Dol Clay, Tipra Motha, IPF, Jota Party Clay Borok Bujika, Ekmatro, BJP no Sombob, Je Agami Dino, Chini Borano, Bina Andulone, Bahakai, development khaimanai ang brono sung khabai kubai lam sogo ebong sung agami dino ate hekanyo norokto jaga jaga nugoi tongo bahaikai sini brom ganang jonojati kolyan mantri bo jaga jaga thengi joining khai tongo chini jonopriyo mukhyamantri professor Dr. Manik Shah ji bo jebabe kwbangma jaga thangnai jonosabhani madhyome kwbangma joining khai tongo to abhaikai nai agami dino sung ADC 2026 chini sarkar achuknai sung বিশ্বাস tongo jonogon Bharatiya Janata Party logi tongo sung sebabe no agami dino bo sung chini boroni bagai bishesh kai chini Tipra sarong ni je man thairong ni bagai sung samung khlai thangnai.
The mass induction is viewed by the BJP as a sign of growing confidence among the electorate in the party's commitment to the welfare and development of the indigenous communities in the state. Reported by Shalsang from Mandai, Chini, Khorang.